Whiteboard. Learn how to use whiteboard tools in a video meeting in the RingCentral desktop and web app. RingCentral video meeting participants can use the whiteboard to brainstorm and collaborate. To access the whiteboard, click on More, then on Whiteboard. Let's start with a freehand drawing. First, click on the pen icon. You can start drawing, or click on the pen icon again to adjust pen settings. Switch between pen and highlight and select color and line style. When you are happy with your pen settings, use your mouse, trackpad, or stylus to make a freehand drawing. Click on the Shapes icon to insert a shape. Click on it to customize its size. Click on Format to adjust the color, line, and text size and style. Click on the sticky note icon to add sticky notes. Once you've added a sticky note, click on it to customize its size. Click on Format to adjust the color and text size and style. Click on the Text tool to add a text box. Click on Format to adjust the color and text size and style. Click on the image icon to add an image to your whiteboard. When any whiteboard object is selected, you have the option to duplicate it, change its layer order, or delete it. To quickly delete multiple objects, click on the eraser icon, then use it to remove objects from your whiteboard. Click on the More icon to open a menu where you can share your whiteboard, erase your whiteboard, and turn the background grid feature on and off. Use the Bring Everyone to Me and Mini Map features to help your collaborators navigate the whiteboard canvas. Within the mini map, click and drag the purple rectangle to navigate around the whiteboard. When your whiteboard session is done, the person who first shared it can click on Stop Sharing.